next topic is the threat avoidance and detection system. The firewall is a single component of this. It's a very important component. That's what we are going to focus on this course. Another component might be to help deal with security in our network. For example, AAA and ID management. Now, AAA is not a American Automobile Association. Here is the authentication, authorization, and accounting. Meaning, we are going to create a user. We are going to give those users ID, privileges, and then we are going to record what those users do, and when they do it on our network. This will give us the opportunity to validate authorized user and deny access to unauthorized user. Another component is intrusion detection system, uh, or intrusion prevention system. So now IDS or IPS is going to compare each packet of to database of malicious traffic. If the packet going through the IDS or IPS system match rules of malicious traffic or match of signature of malicious traffic, an alert will be set out to administrator and saying, hey, uh, this is the malicious attack on your network right now. Modern firewall are actually combining the IDS or IPS into the firewall. So we are going to talk about the in detail in the last module of this course. Another component we can add here is the URL filtering. URL filtering are the great for the preventing our internal users from accessing website pornography or any malicious websites. If we are a business, we are doing the business that is working on customer population. So chance we are going to stop the user from being able to access pornography. But in deeper sense, what we can do, we can use that URL filtering from preventing user to accessing website that have a non-malicious content. Additionally, we can stop people from browsing to torrent site with intents of downloading of movies or software which is illegal. So URL filter have a lot of capability of limiting what website our users can be actually browse. Now our next important component is virus scanner. So some antivirus feature are also inbuilt in our firewall, but we have to also deploy antivirus in the system host or server as well, as because virus scanning is always important component for a network. We can't always rely on the virus scanner to stop viruses. Virus scanner are medical attempt to prevent viruses. My experience with them is they do much better job of alerting you that there is a virus, and you can detect in your workstation. And last one, most important component is logging. So uh, uh, so so we can take logging of all of our device, or AAA device, or our firewall, or our IDS, or our URL filter, virus scanner. We can consolidate all those logs into one system and add them into system that we can get like a same security, same system which actually analyze those logs for us and provide us some information about what actually it's happening on our network from security's perspective. For those of these codes, let's just focus on the firewall.